Welcome to my YouTube channel Astha School Shivahar.
Good morning, children. Today is our third day of chapter third, number system. In your previous class, you have already solved your exercise 3A and exercise 3B. In this class, you have to solve exercise 3C. In this exercise, there are some types of questions. In type 1 question, you have put these symbols in the given boxes. You have to put these symbols greater than, smaller than or equal to in this given boxes. You have to put these symbols in these boxes. First of all, you have to compare between these two numbers. You all know how we compare between two numbers to find out which one is greater than and which one is smaller than and which is equal to. So let's start. Here is 7 and here is 4. 7 is greater than 4, so this symbol is appear here. And B, question number B, here is 7, here is 7, here is 8, here is 8, here is 9 and here is 3. We all know 9 is greater than 3, so this number is greater than this number. And in C, 5, 5, 8, 8, 7, and here is 7, 2, here is 2, 1, here is 1, here is 0 and here is 0 means these both numbers are equal to, so these symbols are appear here. And here is your type 2 question, write in ascending order. You have to write these numbers in ascending order. We all know in ascending order, first of all we have to write the smallest number of the given series and in last we have to write the largest number of the given series. So in this series you have to find out which one is the smallest number of this given series and which one is the largest number of this given series. First of all, you have to compare all numbers. Here is 2, here is 1, here is 1, here is 1 and here is 2. You have to find out the smallest number. So you have to find out the smallest number among these numbers. There is 11,529, 11,983 and here is 1,780. So this is the smallest number of this given series, 1,780. And now you have to compare between these two numbers. Let's start. Here is 1, here is 1, here is 1, here is also 1, here is 5 and here is 9. This is smaller than this number. So in second lines you have to write these numbers. And in third, 11,983. And now you have to compare between these two numbers, 23,001 and 22,224. You have to compare between these two numbers. Here is 2 and here is 2, here is 3 and here is 2. So you have to write these numbers here, 22,224. And this is the largest number of the given series, so it has been written in last. The position of these numbers is here. It is the largest number of this given series and this one is the smallest number of this given series and it is in our ascending order. Your next type, write in descending order. You have to write these numbers in descending order. First of all, in descending order you have to write the largest number in first and the smallest number in the last. Which one is the smallest number and which one is the largest number? Here is 2, here is 3, here is 4 and here is 1. This one is the smallest number of this given series. Here is 4, so this one is the largest number of this given series. In descending order you have to write the largest number. So 4,390 and then after 3, 3,421 and then 2,001 and in last 1,000. It is in our descending order. And your type 4 question, find the smallest and the greatest number in each of the following. You have to find the which one is the smallest number and which one is the largest number of this given series. When we have to find out the smallest and the greatest number, first of all we have to comparison between given numbers. So you have to comparison between these numbers, which one is the smallest and which one is the largest. Here is 67, here is 67, here is 74, here is 67 and here is 75. So this one is the largest number of this given series. This is the greatest number and you have to also find the smallest number. Here is 67, 67 and 67. And then here is 81. Here is 42 and here is 81. So this is the smallest number of the given series. And your next type, write the greatest and the smallest number using each of the following set of digits. You have to write the greatest and the smallest number by using this digits. Here are some digits. You have to form smallest number and the greatest number with the help of these digits. When you have to write the largest number, we have to write the largest digit of the given series. Here is 9, then after 8, 7, 3, 2, 1. This is the largest number that formed by the help of these digits. And you have to also form a smallest number. You have to start with the smallest digit. Here is 1, 2, 3, 7, 8 and 9. This is the smallest number that formed by these digits, and this is the largest number that formed by with the help of these digits. And your next type, and your type 6 question, write the greatest 4-digit number using the digits 2 times. You have to write the greatest 4-digit number by using these digits. You can use these digits 2 times. So the greatest number of 4-digit 5, 3, 1. This is the greatest number of 4-digit. Here 5 is used 2 times. And here type 7 question, write the greatest 5-digit number using the digits without repeating any digit. You have to write the greatest 5-digit number. You can't repeat any digit more than 1 times. There is no repetition of any digit. So you have to form the greatest 5-digit number. That is 9, then after 6, 5, 2 and 1. This is the greatest number that formed by the using of these 5 digits. So that's all your exercise 3.
Thanks for watching this video.